The systematic and creative arrangement of cabinets in tiny cabin home showcase a brilliant function of functionality and aesthetic. Despite the limited space, every cabinet is placed with precision, maximizing utility without compromising visual harmony. The storage units are not merely functional, they double as interior design elements. Contributing to the overall spatial experience, the cabinets are cleverly integrated into the walls, corners, and even around windows frames, creating a sense of architectural rhythm throughout the home. Their placement contributes to smooth circulation, optimized storage, and visual clean lines, key principle in minimalist design. Some cabinets serve dual-purpose functioning as both hidden storage and decorative features that break visual monotony. One of the most distinctive aspects is the use of color accent of cabinet surface, rather than sticking to a flat monochrome palette. This tiny cabinet house use natural wood tones paired with soft neutral or mute color accents such as sage green, dusty blue, or soft gray to bring warmth, character, and depth to the space. This subtle yet deliberate use of color prevents the interior from feeling cramped or sterile, making the space feel inviting and dynamic. This thoughtful approach is not only efficient but also inspirational for small space living, especially for those seeking smart, stylish solution in compact environments. The cabinet layout becomes a design statement, turning storage into a central element of the home's identity.